Chef Justin Timoneri here with Fresh from Florida. Today we're working with the iconic Florida grouper. This is a wonderfully light and delicious dish that's going to go not only well on your holiday table, but also as a brunch or a light lunch as well. So let's get into our recipe a little bit today. The first thing we want to do is to work with this amazing Florida grouper. Okay, so we've got our grouper fillet on our board. Now it's time to get it cut, and we want to cut these into about 6-ounce portions so they'll cook nice and evenly and consistently throughout. I'm going to kind of put my knife in a little bit of bias here. It will also help it to cook evenly. Okay, we have cut our Florida grouper fillet down into 6-ounce portions, and we're ready to get these into the pan. Our pan is preheated over medium-high heat. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil, and then we just want to make sure that our fillets are seasoned up nicely. I'm using a seasoning blend that I love. This is made here in Florida. It's an Everglades seasoning. It is delicious. Now you can see the pan is hot. It is smoking. This is the part where we want to be extremely careful. When we put our fish in, we want to make sure to lay them in the pan face side down, but away from us so we don't splatter. I have fresh Florida grapefruit and orange here. And what we want to do is we want to get this beautiful citrus outside of the peel. Our citrus in the bowl, and now it's time to work on the rest of our salad. We're going to work with this wonderful fennel, being very careful. So we're going to make nice little slices. And then we're going to do the same thing with our jicama. I actually am going to cut these kind of like some skinny fries. I think will be fun and have some great texture in our recipe. I keep this vinegar in my kitchen to do cooking with because it is nice and mild and goes with a lot of things. We're going to add a little bit of that, a little olive oil as well, and then we want just a little bit of seasoning on here, some fresh salt and freshly ground pepper. Okay, now it's time to plate up our Florida grouper and citrus salad. And there we are with our finished dish. It is light and delicious. We want to encourage you to have fun with our recipes. Make sure to go to follow freshfromflorida.com. I'm Chef Justin, and thank you for joining us in the Fresh from Florida kitchen. Happy cooking.